Good morning. Today I'm just going to take you through what you are going to do today. So you're first going to watch this lesson introduction, which will be right here. Before I go through what you're going to do, I'm going to take you through a couple of announcements. Today you are going to write your one consequence paragraph. And if you have any questions, please come to office hours, email or text me, or set up a meeting with me, which I will put the link here once I'm done with this video. So, some announcements that I have is first, last week I saw the lowest amount of work from you guys being turned in. Only 62% of all English 2 students, so that's about 158 students, completed any work at all. That means that's like some people only completed one assignment or one small part. I think only about 40% of that, or only 40% of kids actually completed all of the work. And this is unacceptable. I'm really working hard to make sure that my work is manageable, and it's really only each day split up into 3 steps. 1 no red ink exercise, 1 paragraph, and 1 exit reflection that should really take you no longer than an hour. But right now, first period is in the lead. So first period has 25 kids completed their work, and the rest of the classes, only 20 completed their work. And so what I'm going to do is the period that has the most participation this week will win a prize that will basically cut your work by a lot to make your work a lot shorter. So this is just incentive for you to make sure that you do all your work, and also encourage your friends to sign on and support each other. I know that you guys are all texting each other and FaceTime each other, etc. Just support each other in completing your work too, or be collaborative about your work with each other, and really help each other out, and encourage each other to sign on and do your work so that everyone passes. And with that, we only have 3 weeks left of school, which is super exciting. And you have got this. Like, you guys are doing amazing on your research essays, for those of you who have submitted work. If you're having any trouble, please set up a meeting with me and come to office hours at 1:30 every day. And finally, the Netflix special is on Thursday, at 3, not 4 this week, because I have home visits this week. So make sure to watch the 2nd episode of This Is Us on Netflix before you come. And this is an extra credit opportunity that can lift up your grade. So with that, once you are done watching this, you should go to your research essay outline, and you're going to see that I have given you feedback and grades on your research findings paragraphs. You are going to look back at those grades and those comments and edit it based on them. Then you are going to complete the no red ink called in-text citation practice. And third, you will write your consequence number 1 paragraph. And a video tutorial is on slide 5. And then complete the exit reflection. So if you go to slide 5, here's a video tutorial on how I wrote my consequence paragraph. I want to note that this is something that people had trouble with. If you do not know the author's last name, put just the name of the article. So for example, if I didn't know what the author's last name was, I would go back and find the name of the article and just write the name of the article here instead. Make sure that you complete all of these portions, especially the no writing of the exit reflection, because that is what I will be grading you on for your habit grade. If you have any questions, again, please come to office hours, email or text me, or set up a meeting with me here.